Samsung is finally unlocking the true potential of 200 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. They officially tease a new level up to the 200 megapixel sensor, utilizing the power of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and AI to create some magic. So this is Samsung new high resolution zoom technology called as ISO cell zoom, and it plays this enable as high quality lossless zoom up to 4K level. Not just that, Samsung utilizing that high R zoom crop to enable a brand new AI based tracking technology. So now when shooting a 4K video, we have zoom option from going from 1 to 4K level. That sensor automatically tracks any moving subject using the zoom, giving you a dual perspective of the video. And by the way, Samsung can actually do this automatically without you actually zooming up to 4K level. Thanks to Onch Zoom, which automatically processes the video at 4K up to 4K zoom level that you can later crop, giving you the ultimately flexibility. You can pretty much take a 4x crop in any direction while getting a pretty good lossless quality on top of this. Samsung is implementing a new end-to-end AI image process which now process photos 2 times faster compared to last generation. This is not only improving the HDR and colors of the image but also enabling us to take faster photos than ever on our Galaxy phone, even when utilizing the 200 megapixel resolution. Considering this works specifically with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. As shown in the teaser video, it's very likely that it's going to be implemented on the S24 Ultra. In fact, the Galaxy S Ultra render Samsung has shown in this teaser video, it actually looks like very similar to the S24 Ultra leaks. Render that we saw a few weeks ago show a very flat display, potentially letting people know that they could be implementing this new any-place zoom on the S24 Ultra 200 megapixel sensor. And let's not forget, Samsung is also bringing a new high-resolution bigger 5x sensor with a large apart size. That sensor is expected to unlock a groundbreaking zoom quality from 5x to 10x level. And even beyond that, if all goes smoothly, Samsung will once again offer the most complete zoom setup for any smartphone out there. Last but not least, the S24 series color got leaked a few days ago. We are going to see black, violet and yellow color. The yellow color is expected to be similar to what we have seen with the S10e black in 2019. So nice to see this color back now. As for online color for the S24 Ultra, we could see orange, light blue and light green. I have to say this might be Samsung's most vibrant color lineup. So if you like with this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe for more latest news.